Namaste, I'm Adi Shakti. Welcome to Behind the Asana. There are so many wonderful meditation techniques, and one of the first techniques that I worked with that I found was extremely helpful for me in my monkey mind was Japa mala. So I just wanted to go over that with you today. Japa mala is a practice of using the mala beads that you see people wearing, or the rosary in the Catholic practice and tradition, where you have 108 beads on a string. And so when we're using mantra is the repetition of a word or phrase of over and over and over again to create focus in the mind. And so one of my first ones that I ever used was so hum, so hum, so hum. So I would sit there, so hum, so hum, so hum. I'm hungry. What's on TV? Whatever else it is that comes in. Oh yeah, so hum, right? Is what it looks like as we start to build our meditation practice. And I found that my mind still got a little crazy, and it still does to this day. But with the Japa mala, what you do is you're actually touching the bead, and you're thinking the mantra every time you touch the bead. So you touch the bead and so hum, and then you go to the next one. It's so hum, so hum, so hum. And through that practice, you have two things happening. You have the mantra happening, and then you have the sensory, the very physical component of the mala beads, which for me was extremely helpful and calling myself back to the meditation practice over and over and over again as you start to move away. And so you just want to make sure that you're not touching the beads with the pointer finger. So you just want to use the thumb and the middle finger as you start to move through the beads, and you just sit there and you enjoy, and you pick a mantra that works for you. If so hum works, that's great. There's lots of other wonderful ones as well, and it's a phenomenal practice. If you haven't checked it out already, I really encourage that you do. So that is Japa mala. I'm Adi Shakti. This is Behind the Asana. I'll see you next time. Namaste.